Well, I woke up this morning to my car being towed. $250 down the drain. So we're pulling to the thrift store. Hopefully we find something good. Hopefully we find something worth this ticket because, man, that was an upset. You guys know with me moving costs, I'm spending so much money. So that $250 was literally the cost of my bed frame, basically. My bed frame's like $350, and I've been waiting to purchase it just so I can use credit cards so that way I can get points and everything. And I just basically bought it cash because I have to pay the, the ticket basically. So such a waste of money, but like I said, let's head up this thrift store. Let's hope we find something good today. Not in the best mood. My new mattress is getting delivered today, so I do need to go home as soon as I hit up this thrift store and wait for them. They said the expected time is like 11 to 2, so it's 10:38 right now. So hopefully they don't come at 11, hopefully they come closer to 2. But at least I'm getting a new mattress today. I'm ordering the bed frame tomorrow, and it should be here next week. The couch is on back order till the end of the month. I am probably gonna order the TV stand along with the bed frame tomorrow as well. And yeah, kind of just taking slow, but man, that 250 hit. I am gonna be doing a bulk sell. My buddy of mine is opening a sneaker store up North Florida, and he wants vintage. So he said he has about a budget of $1,500, but he also has an AR-15 that I'm trying to work out a trade for him also. So that's valued at like $800 to $1,000. So I'm thinking about $2,500 he has to work with. So we'll see. He's gonna give me a call later today. I'm gonna FaceTime him. I might set up my camera and show you guys, the interactions and everything, but hopefully it takes a good amount of stuff just because I have a lot of inventory right now, and it would be nice to just freshen up and get that cash. So let's set up this first thrift store, hopefully find something good, and hopefully we can pay off this ticket, guys. Let's get it.
Double-sided hurricanes on like the jerseys tag. I found this New Age Cheech and Chong Up in Smoke. Probably gonna leave this, but just grab it. We have this Hunter collab with Target. I'm gonna look up comps. I know that these actually resold. This, I don't really know the brand. Salem 7, but I just thought the hoodie was super sick with the embroidery. I'm gonna look it up, see if it's worth anything. Found this, probably gonna be for the personal. Flow Grown. Welcome to the Gunshine State. You guys know I love t-shirts like that. And then we found these like Rip Stop North Face nylon pants. I found this brand new Ultra Music Festival hat. Probably end up throwing in the personal collection. Then we found a few clothes items on this Tennessee River. A blood donor saved my life. And then on the back it has the cross. This I'll probably keep for myself. It's just like a fighter shirt. Found a vintage Florida Gators all embroidered crew neck. Found this Real Madrid 2XL long sleeve polo. I might leave this. I'll have to look it up. Found this Nike little pullover hoodie. Might be women's. Found this crazy all over jacket. Then we found another Jesus shirt. God is my hero, like the Guitar Hero. Marlboro reversible jacket. Better than nothing though. So I stopped into this little thrift store by my old house. Look at this, official member of Piss and Moan About Everything Club. This is perfect about me because you guys know I bitch about everything. But I'm a man about it, I admit it, Found these really nice 501 3232 Levi's denim jeans. And then I found this for the personal, liquid blue tank top. It's just perfect for me living in South Beach. I need a tank top, and the design on it is sick. So when I take Captain for walks, I'm gonna bring this. But let's see if we see any sneakers. I did come here the other day and I didn't film, and I got like 4 pairs of shoes. They're still sitting in my car though, so I will show you guys once I get to my car. But let's see what these are. Nothing. Some Tevas. They look brand new though. Yeah, these are brand new Tevas. Those are good. Let's see, I was looking at these Chelsea boots down here. Size 42, no brand. Not the best condition either. Guess. Nike crumbling, oh jeez. So I got everything I showed you guys, and then these are the sneakers that I got. So these are gonna be for myself, just when I take Captain for walks. We have these Air Maxes, and then I did get these for resale. We have the colorful Vapor Maxes, and then we have some KDs, and we paid $5 each pair. So easy money, but like I said, I'm gonna keep these for myself, just walking shoes. Alright, so to start it off, we have, look at these vintage Miami Dolphins, super sick with the spell out down the side. Little hit right there. You have the Apex 1. Next, we did find, I'm pretty sure this is a newer age, but we have the Dodgers 1955, the Cooperstown, Brooklyn, the Mirage, super sick. We found jerseys of this before, but we've never found the jacket. This I think I'm gonna end up putting back, but I just found the Alcatraz Psych Ward. Thought it was a cool hoodie. Then we found a 2015 little Disney. Yeah. Yeah.
I like them.
And then the find of today, we have this Yeezy Season 3 little windbreaker. You can actually see the tags too. Yeezus Tour official merch, and you could tell by the quality and weight of it, it's official. It's not the reprint one or like a bootleg one. New rack just came out, got all these t-shirts. Look at this crazy Nike shirt. Obviously it's a new age, but the colors on it is just insane. Then we did find this vintage. I was the millionth man March 1995. Found this 2008 Bike Week. Found this Dallas Cowboys, Julius Jones. I might put this back, but I found this pretty cool DC skateboards. Little DC shoes. And then in here, we found a pair of Columbia ski pants, a pair of Burton ski pants, a pair of corduroys, which I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm gonna keep them probably for the personal. But it's Adam Marr. They're actually pretty expensive, but they're just so sick. I got a game for me, and then this button down for me, and then this shirt for me as well. It's just like crazy, like cut and sew. Almost reminds me of like Affliction, but it's not. Sadly, nothing crazy today. We did find this reprint, New Age Dragon Ball Z. Old school Miami Hurricanes champion. We found two Nike hoodies, red and black colorway. Well, sadly only a few shirts. Probably have this for the personal, because you know, you don't take money from broke people. I swear I find like one of these at least a week. 2001. The same one, like the Peterson too, like they probably just donate it. We have this New Age, but the fade on it's really nice, just embroidered Nike, little essential. Few finds for today. We found these UGG fur boots. They'll be $2.50. We found these Allbirds. And then for clothes, we found this denim jacket. Really nice. This I saw as soon as I came in. You have the vintage Miami Hurricanes fleece blanket. AC/DC, back in black. Brand new with the tags from Ross. And then of course another Harley Davidson. Couple more items. I don't know what this is, but I thought it was just super unique. Spanish Overseas Trading has like these pockets on the front, little half zip. Then we do have this Adidas Yankees, like the Chanel printout, and then on the sleeve you have the little Yankee, and then just a Sun Sentinel Marlins World Series shirt. Sadly nothing good today. We have this Ski Naked Ski Fast Aspen long sleeve. Probably end up leaving that. I'm gonna grab this for myself. I just thought it was a cool print, like the Louis Vuitton. These are really nice. Heavy duty Polo Ralph Lauren bathing suit. Found this Billie Eilish all over print. Again, probably gonna leave that. And then we found this Rough Rider shirt.
As I was leaving, I actually found two white bar stools, which is perfect because I'm getting white furniture. I'm getting a white TV stand, I'm getting a white couch, and I needed like some bar stools to go there. So I got them for 60 bucks, $30 a piece. Not bad at all. Amazon brand new, they're like $140, so save basically $100. But Oh man, I'm out of breath because I was fucking carrying those things. But let's hit up the next thrift store, and let's go home, bring the things in, and you guys should see my apartment. I have so much stuff. I need to organize it. I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks. Hopefully my Wi-Fi comes today so I can start uploading, but yeah, let's hit the next thrift store, guys.
A few t-shirts. There's still nothing like Nitro. I don't know if I'm gonna get this though. I don't know how old it is. It's on a red anvil tag. Look that up. I love the colors and like the graphics of this. Power of Your Life Die Hard. Has little Orange County choppers. What is this? The Jetsons. I've never heard of this tag though. It seems like it was being like an anvil. We have the Jetsons. I wonder if it's tagged. Adidas Yankees. And then I don't know what the hell this is. Just crazy.